Hey guys, it's Theo. Recently I got a lot of recommended reels and shorts of people telling me how easy they make money online and that I'm stupid for scrolling past them. And even though I know most of them are scams, I got interested in finding out how much truth there is behind those ads. Those videos is the longer I watch one and the more time you spend searching in the comment section for people who actually tried it themselves, the more videos you will get recommended. So I have tons of ways I found out and wanna try with you guys, and in today's video I'll be talking about Amazon, or more specific Amazon PartnerNet and Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. I chose to do this first because the effort and the risk I had to put in was the lowest of all options I have found. That made setting it up fast and easy. But let's start at the beginning. What is Amazon affiliate marketing? In principle, affiliate marketing describes the cooperation of sales partners with the aim of selling products and earning money. The so-called affiliates advertise products from manufacturers or retailers and receive a commission in return. To put it simply, affiliates help sell third-party sellers and retailers, and by sharing the product link, you yourself can earn a small percentage of the profit. For Amazon, you have to set up an Amazon PartnerNet account and verify yourself and decide you want to share the links. You do need to make an account for each Amazon platform you want to use. That's kind of what I struggled with because demographically I still don't know where my viewers really are. After filling out a bunch of personal information and choosing how you want to receive payments, you will be able to make links for products or shops that you can share. Making those is pretty simple. You just have to open your Amazon account and search for the product you want to share, and a side strip on the top of the page will give you the possibility to copy a link for it. If you take at my description box, you will see that all the links of the products I share with you guys are pretty short. Well, those are affiliate links. So if you click on them and decide to buy the product, I will get a small earning as well. And small is a pretty accurate description for it. If I go to my main dashboard for Germany, I can see that even though 38 people have clicked on those links, only 2 really bought something from it. And my income comes to €1.26. I know this may sound pathetic, but this is income I have generated with only setting up an account and posting a link on my site. So if you have a social media account, a YouTube channel, or even a website, this is an easy way to start I can totally recommend. But let's go and take a look at Amazon KDP. While with the PartnerNet you're trying to sell other people's products, Kindle Direct Publishing is a great way to sell your own products without having to worry about warehouses, shipping, or even printing. Since this is a different Amazon platform, you will need to make an account here as well. Here I had to give a complete text information, which I didn't have to put in the PartnerNet account. After setting everything up, you're good to go and start to make your own book. And with book I mean notebook, textbooks, journal, calendars, and many more blank books that you can easily create on platforms like Canva or Bookbolt. I will be using Canva in the future personally because it's free and I just have gotten used to it, but for this video I wanted to show you Bookbolt. This is a website that lets you create almost every kind of textbook and planner you want. You do need to pay for a subscription, but I managed to make a couple of books on the free trial, so I didn't really put any money on it. With Bookbolt you have the advantage that you can see other people's works and what's trending right now, as well as what kind of keywords you should use to make it more searchable. Publishing a low-content book like this is very simple in Amazon KDP. You just fill out the informations like title, description, keywords and the category, which by the way you can find out in Bookbolt as well, and then proceed to upload your cover and manuscript. Now you can see the preview and publish your notebook and set the price. As you can see, Amazon tells you how much the printing is gonna cost, so you have to choose a higher price, and from that price you only get like 60%. I will recommend you choose a small price at the beginning until your book gets some customers and reviews before going higher. It does take up to 72 hours until Amazon checks your book and releases it, but after that this is a passive income where you only need to spend effort once. After spending a couple of hours making more notebooks and journals and planners and stuff, I decided to go and make a real book. Because while any passive income is better than none, a little higher selling book would be nice to have. Since I already had a finished manuscript I wrote as a teenager, I didn't spend any effort in making one. But if you plan to make a book yourself, just remember that non-fictional books like cookbooks or books on advice on something are always better selling than fictional novels. But since I already had a fictional book manuscript and it kind of was always my dream to publish it, I just went and created a cover with Canva, changed the format for the Kindle and hardcover version a bit, and that's it. I want to be honest with you guys, this is probably not an amazing book when it comes to storytelling, language or spelling in general, but it still made me proud as hell to finally be able to hold something I made in my hands. So yeah, if you want to read it yourself or just support me, you can find it in my description box through a link. I did make a German and English version just to reach more people, so I would be more than happy if some of you guys read it. I hope this video was interesting to watch. Since I only just set this whole affiliate marketing and KDP thing up, I can't really tell you how much you can approximately earn from it, but I will be doing an update in the future on it, so feel free to subscribe and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao! Thank you.